First of all, I respect all the principal ma'am and all the dignitaries of the days and on the days, and I wish every children happy Children's Day to you all. As we know, today we are celebrating Children's Day on the date of November 14th. So why do we celebrate this Children's Day? Because on the birthday event of Jawaharlal Nehru. Why on his birthday we are celebrating? Because he loves children a lot, and he used to call as a Chacha Nehru also. So on his birthday, on the occasion, he born on November 14th, 1889. He passed away in the year of 1964. And also he is the first Prime Minister of India, and who worked in the legacy which we have fought for India. And he also worked as a first Prime Minister, and also he fought for our Indian freedom movement also. As he had did many works for the children. He has a foundation, and also he did many things for the children. And this day, children used to wish him as a Prime Minister with the roses, and he used to take those wishes with very lots of love from the children. And also he used to call as Chacha Nehru because he has a good motives for the children. As we know that he used to call as Chacha Nehru, he loved children a lot, and also he had many good motives for the children. As we know about today's children are tomorrow's citizens. As he used to take the children very inspiration to the next generations also. And also as we see that Chacha Nehru's daughter name is Priyadarshini, as we have to congratulate our school name is also Priyadarshini. As it been a good honor to our school, and the daughter Chacha Nehru also, it been a good motive for our children. As we are the children, we are the best inspiring next to as how the Priyadarshini has been came here. We are also working to the next generations and the societies where we can inspire to the many children. So I request every children and also to please work on the way you are, and please make our name, and also please be honored to the society where you can go. Please name, as we know the biggest quote, education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. As we are a student, so we are responsible to change our society. I hope all the students of this Priyadarshini will build a big sector on this platform and build our nation in a very highest form. Thank you everyone, and once again I wish you a happy Children's Day. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you Principal Ma'am, Pushpalata Ma'am, and thank you for giving me such an opportunity. As I am K. Srilata, thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you so much.